Hi everyone, I'm Lizzie and welcome to Lizzie Loves Languages. In this lesson, I am going to teach you about a very important verb that we use on an everyday conversations in Spanish or to express ourselves better. Do you want to know? Verb to like or gustar in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now in this lesson, we are going to learn about verb gustar. Verb gustar is really special and it's very different. Gustar means to like in English. Now notice that in every single verb that we have studied before, we use the pronouns to conjugate. We use yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, ustedes, ellos, y ellas, right? We kind of know that already. We kind of learned it, we figure out how to do it. However, this verb is special. We are going to forget a little bit about the pronouns and we're going to bring out something that looks like this. A mí, a ti, a él, a ella, a usted, a nosotros, a ellos, y a ellas. Now, I am not done. We are going to add something that I call the helpers to this formula. And it's going to look like this. A mí, me, a ti, te, a él, le, a ella, le, a usted, you formal, le, a nosotros, nos, a ustedes, les, a ellos, les, y a ellas, les. So that's the right formula that we use to conjugate verb gustar. Now, how am I going to conjugate that verb? Is it going to be gusto, gustas, gusta? Not at all. It's going to be quite simple because gustar will stay just like this. A mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, a él le gusta, a ella le gusta, a usted le gusta, a nosotros nos gusta, a ustedes les gusta, a ellos les gusta y a ellas les gusta. Notice how gusta is repeated and it's like a pattern. You don't need to really replace the ending. It stays like that, with yo, with tú, with él, with nosotros, ustedes, and so on. Does that look kind of simple? It does, right? So instead of saying yo gusta, which is completely wrong, you're going to say a mí me gusta to express that you like something. And I am going to give you a few examples so that you can practice simple phrases such as a mí me gusta el helado de vainilla. I like vanilla ice cream. A mí me gusta escuchar música clásica. I like to listen to classical music. A mi hermana le gusta estudiar francés. My sister likes to study French. A nosotros nos gusta la comida mexicana. We like Mexican food. A ti te gusta la clase de español. You like Spanish class. A mis padres les gusta visitar Europa. My parents like to visit Europe. Notice that some of these sentences have another verb in that same sentence. The sentence, for example, a mí me gusta escuchar música clásica. So you have the conjugation of gustar, which is a mí me gusta. However, you have the verb escuchar, which is to listen. That verb remains in infinitive form. Infinitive form means not conjugated. It is a good way of using verb gustar. Sometimes you're going to express that you like something and you're going to need that other infinitive verb. A mí me gusta escuchar, a mí me gusta bailar, a mí me gusta comer, a ti te gusta estudiar, a él le gusta jugar. All of those verbs are in infinitive form or not conjugated, which is perfectly normal. Now you've learned already how to use the form gustar. We know the formula and we know how to pose a sentence correctly, right? Now how do you say that you do not like something? Well, the negative form of verb gustar goes like this. A mí no me gusta. A ti no te gusta. A él, a ella o a usted no le gusta. A nosotros no nos gusta. A ustedes, a ellos o a ellas no les gusta. Notice how the negative form or the word no comes before the helper. Remember that we said that the helpers are the words me, te, le, nos, y les. So if you want to say that you don't like something, you will say, a mí no me gusta escuchar música rock. I do not like rock music. A ella no le gusta el helado de fresa. She does not like strawberry ice cream. A nosotros no nos gusta viajar. We do not like to travel. You see? So now you know how to say things that you like and how to say things that you don't like. It's easy, right? Are you ready for a quick recap? Alright everybody, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment. Until next time, bye-bye.